Alright, hey folks, I'm still here at Quartzsite, or Dome Rock Quartzsite. Got a few things to show you, including the trailer. This is part 2 of the trailer cleaning and organizing. So here we go. Alright, I got it pretty much done. Not going to get much more done than this. It will get cleaned up some more, but I'm not going to go much further with it for this location. Some of that stuff's going to go up on this here, on here. Right now I've weighed the tongue, and without the trailer in, it's 700 pounds, which is fine for the trailer but not fine for the bus. But that's without the trike in it. Once I put the trike in, it's probably going to go, the weight's going to go down on the tongue. So anyhow, this is what it looks like. Pretty much got everything hung up. All my clamps are bolted to the wall now, clamped to the wall onto some 2x4s. All my tools are hanging up. I got everything pretty much organized and tied up to the side. This is just a bunch of food containers that I'm not sure how many I'm going to keep so far. Probably going to give a bunch of them away, but it's just hanging up out of the way. These here, all these are going to go back in the trailer. All this stuff down here. There's a heater for a bus I'm trying to get rid of. My old oil pan, trying to get rid of that. Sorry about that. And then here's the board that I'm going to make for a shelf in here, right up in here. And then here's the other side. So basically, I can put almost all the weight, all the weight I want on this side. Everything in here, I don't think equals 1,100 pounds, which is what my trike weighs. So none of that. But right now my water tank is only half full. So, and that's I think that's 400 pounds when it's full. So this actually, all this extra weight actually helps me out. So it shouldn't bother it whatsoever. It'll actually be light on this side with the water tank empty. But I just wanted to give you a shot of the update. My only thing is the only question I have now is, will these are all grade A bolts right there, holding those clamps to the wall. Shouldn't have a problem with that at all. The only one I should have a problem with is possibly this one here. It's got a lot of nuts and bolts in that, in containers in there. But anyhow, that's what I got going on. That big container there is the heaviest one, and that's still getting organized and going through it. Just where I'm going to put it in here. It's probably not going to be in the container. The stuff that's in there now probably going to be on the walls or hidden away somewhere. Not stuff that I use on a regular basis. I even got this thing here, cargo carrier I'm trying to get rid of. It's 500 pound weight limit. It's a 2-inch. So you guys know anybody that needs one of them. And then the oil pan, I'll let that go for probably 200. I paid 250 for it. The heater, I'll probably let go for 100, 150, something like that. Some stuff I'm just going to give away. But I also have the spring-loaded spring-loaded base for a bus seat in the back of the bus that I'm not using, and a air ride base seat, or not seat but base out of a semi, and trying to sell them too. Just couldn't see just throwing them away. It was, or even if I don't sell them, just give them away. But another thing I want to show you, pretty cool here, is I'm getting ready to go get some gas for my generator, and my gas can fits in there, one of them, and then the other one's in here. So I can hold two gas cans. I can hold both those gas cans. And then that's a friend of mine, Pierre's, right there. I'm going to get him some gas. Sorry about this camera messing up. Probably just need to do that. That's the reason why. It's the camera that the phone that's doing that, not the camera. Anyhow, so I'm going to probably try and fit that inside of there, or I'm just going to mount it to the rack here, strap it to the rack. So I'll be coming back with, let's see, how many gallons is this? This is probably in metric, 10 liter. I'm not sure what that is in American. Oh, there you go, 2 gallons. So I'll be coming back with 12 gallons of gas. Shouldn't have a problem with it. Both this bracket here is welded on, and this one here is bolted on. Down there, 2 down there, and then this one's bolted straight to the frame. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on. I'll probably be leaving here. In the next couple of days. This is Thursday right now, and I'm planning on leaving either Saturday or Sunday and going to Ehrenberg, being there for 2 weeks, and then I'll head to Phoenix to get with Tony at AAA, and he's going to adjust my speed governor, and then from there I'm going to Antelope Canyon and take a look at the views there, and then from there I think it's La Madre, New Mexico, and see the sand sculptured caves. Anyhow, just wanted to give you an update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, and like. And thank you for watching. And until next time, be safe.